Welcome to Voice Story Time!
Hi guys, Racy Time here. Today I'm going to make a little farm using my collection of Playmobil building sets. Here's the barn from the Playmobil Pony Farm playset. Here at the back, we're gonna place a horse, a young horse or a foal, and a pony. Here's the young horse. Now it's facing us. And next we're going to connect a fence to the barn. Now it's time to put some animals inside the fence. Let's start with cows. And by the way, let's put a red bucket on the side. And then let's put a pony here. Here's a goat. Another goat. A baby goat or a kid. A sheep, a baby sheep or a lamb. Here's another lamb. Now we got 3 lambs. Here on the side, we're gonna make another animal pen. Here's a donkey. And here's a young donkey or a foal. And we're going to add pigs in here. And by the way, I'm going to add another pony in here. Here's a bunny, a hamster, and another hamster. The farm is not complete without chickens. So here's the hen house. We're gonna put some eggs on the nest. And here's the laying hen. A white hen. A rooster. Another hen. Baby chickens or chicks. Well, I guess I'm done with animals. Oh, I gotta put a wagon here. And put some hay in the wagon. Well, I guess that's all. Oops, I forgot. Here's a tractor with a kid. Oh, he left. Well, anyhow, here's the farmer. And another farmer. A little girl. And a little boy. Well, I hope you guys like my farm set using my Playmobil animals collection. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun videos here at Race to Time. And don't forget to click those thumbnails to watch more videos here at Race to Time channel. Thank you for watching.